Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Mint by Kamlesh. Today I shall solve for class 11 maths exercise 3.1 question number 4 from NCERT book. Chapter is trigonometric functions. I hope you will please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks. Question is find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. Use pi equal to 22 by 7. So in question it is given, suppose this is and this is a circle with center O, right, and its arc. Suppose this is the arc. This is the arc A B. This is arc and it is of 22 centimeter, and from this arc and radius angle is subtended. This OA and OB are radius, it is of 100 centimeter, right, this is 22 centimeter, and with this radius and arc an angle is subtended at center. Suppose this is theta. This measurement of theta is always in radian, not in degree. This you have to keep in mind. Okay, so given what is this? Radius of circle is equal to r is equal to 100 centimeter. Length of arc equal to 20, L is equal to 22 centimeter. Angle subtended at center is equal to theta. So this theta we have to find in degree. To find value of theta in degree, right? Solution is for this formula of theta we know that theta equal to theta in radian equal to L by R. This is the basic formula. Theta in radian is equal to L by R. So theta in radian will be, L is our 22 centimeter. So put here 22 and R equal to 100 centimeter. Give 100 centimeter. That is angle in radian, theta value in radian. Now in question it is given that we have to find the value of theta in degree measures, not in radian. So this radian measure 22 by 100 should be changed into degree, and for changing radians into degree we know that 1 radian equal to 180 by pi. This is the formula. So we shall apply here. So how many radian we have? We have 22 by 100 radian. So 22 by 100 radian will be 180 by pi into 22 by 100 degree. Okay. For simplifying it, 180, and the value of pi is given 22 by 7 in question. So it will be 22 by 7 into 22 by 100. It will go further, 180 and 22 by 7 is dividing to 180. So this denominator of 7 will go for numerator and it will be denominator. Okay, so it will be inversed. So 7 will be here, 22 will be here, into 22 by 100. This 22 will be cancelled. 10 is cancelled. So it will be 18 into 7, 126 by 10, right? 100. So 22 by 100 radian will be 180 by pi multiplied by 22 by 100 degree. It will be 180 by pi 22 by 7 as question. In question it is given pi is equal to 22 by 7 and 22 by 100 will multiply here 180. This will be reversed. So numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So this and 22 by 100, this 0 cancelled. 22 is cancelled. 18 into 7, 126 by 10, this is degree. So answer should not be in fraction or decimal, in degree. So we have to change further. So 126 by 10 equal to 12. This is improper fraction. In mixed fraction it will be 12 6 by 10. So this is complete number, it is degree. So this will be 12 degree plus 6 by 10 degree. This 12 degree and this 6 by 10 degree will be changed into minute. So 6 by 10 into 60. Why 60? Since we know that 1 degree equal to 60 minute. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So 12 plus 6 by 100, 12 degree will remain here. 6 by 10 will be multiplied by 60. So this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled, and hence 12 degree plus 6 into 6, 36 minutes, and it will be ultimately 12 degree 36 minutes. Okay, hence in the answer we shall write, hence the angle subtended at center is 12 degree 36 minutes. This will be answer. If you liked it, please subscribe and share it, and if you have any doubt, please write in comment box. I will answer it. Thanks.